Hello guys, welcome back to Glorious Store. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your remote control of with the voice and Bluetooth feature. So let's start from top left. There is a mute button. If I press this mute button, as you can see, the mute icon is appeared on the top. So this means you can mute it anytime. If I press it again, it will unmute and restore your current volume. And the next button is of course for the power button. If I press it, your device will goes off or on a standby mode. If I press it again, it comes back. So the next bottom row is for other controls, like first button is for TV/R. This means you can switch from TV and radio. Currently we are watching TV. If I press this button, you will see that we are converted to radio channels. If I press OK, so these are actually paid channels. So this is free and it's working now. So this button will switch from TV and radio. So currently, as you can, this is a radio. If I press it again, so this is the TV channel. So the next button is for the Wi-Fi. If I press it, and here you can see available Wi-Fi connections, and this receiver which I am currently using is dual band Wi-Fi, which is supporting 2.4 and 5 gigahertz of Wi-Fi. Okay, if I press exit, the next button is for the USB. If I press this button, because the USB device is already plugged in, so here I can see all the available media on this USB. For example, if I can switch from left to right, as you can see, I have various files over here. If I exit, next button is for the IP address, because currently we are not connected with any Wi-Fi or any network. So let me connect with the Wi-Fi first, and then I will show you what this button will do. I already connected with the Wi-Fi. Now exit, and if I press the button of IP, I can see the settings of IP. Currently DHCP is on. If I press right or left arrow key, it will goes off, and then I can change the IP address manually from here if I want. Otherwise I can, by default it is on, and this is a best option actually, so I will keep it on. Otherwise, if you want to change your MAC address, IP address, or some other gateways, for example, so you can use this feature from this button. Next we have numeric keypad. This is for the switching channels. For example, currently I am seeing channel number 200, if you can see over here, and if I press, for example, 442 times, this means 44. So channel number 44 will be appeared here. So its name is Ar-Rahman. And if I press, for example, 85, so 85 number channel will be appeared after a while. And if I press, for example, 106, I'm just putting some random numbers just for the testing purpose, so you can understand how you can use this numeric keypad. Next is recall. So recall button is actually showing you the list of all recently viewed channels. Like this current channel is this one. Before this I was watching this channel. Before this I was watching this and this. So this is the list of actually all available channels. Those I have watched previously. Okay, so you can also switch from here like this. Next is menu. Menu is, of course, we have current dashboard of this menu, so you can access various services from the menu, like settings, applications, or other different platforms. Next button is for the SAT. This means it will show you the list of all available satellites. Currently I am having only one satellite, that's why it is showing me only one. Otherwise, if you have multiple satellites, you can switch from multiple satellites, or you can select all satellites together as well. Next button is for the find. If I press find button, here you can type any key. For example, if I am going to search for MBC channel, I will press M, and then all the list of channels, those are starting with M, will be appearing here. And next, if I press MB, so the letters, the channels starting from MB will be appeared here. If I press exit, and I'm sorry, I just need to press the back button of yellow color instead of exiting, so we can use the find button better in the channel list, as you can see over here. And here, if I press M, B, for example, okay, if I exit even, so the list of channel is already here, so I can switch whatever channel is starting from MB. So here you can see how we can use the find button. Next is exit. So exit is actually very simple. Whenever you are in any menu or settings or list, whatever it is, so you can press exit to exit from the menu. And you know, the arrow key is like left, right, okay. Button is normal, like if you have selected, if you need to go to network, for example, I need to press OK, and it will bring me to network button. Next, we have Favs button. Fav is showing our favorite channel or list of our favorites. Currently, we don't have any channel in favorites, that's why it's not showing. So let me add some channels to favorites so you can understand better. For example, if I'm pressing fav button, you can see up here it is scramble, HT channels, UHT, all channels. So I need to go to the menu, channel, and here TV favorites. And if I need to select, for example, this one, I need to add this on the favorites. I will select the category like left and right. I need to add this on the news, so I will press OK, and this channel has been added on news. This one, it should be movies, and this one, for example, I'm going to edit music and sports, and exit. Now if I press favorite button, I can see news. I have this channel. If I press OK, this channel will be open. If I press again fav button, it is showing movies, again fav button, music, and so on. So this is how you can use this fav button. Next, we have a big icon of mic. This is actually very interesting. I will explain this on the end of this video. Next is EPG. So EPG is showing actually the electronic program guide, like the structure or the schedules of different programs on different channels if they are available. Let me see if I have. Let me switch to all channels: movies, news, sports, all channels. So MBC2, and in MBC2, if I press EPG button, here you can see like today's schedule, like this time is for this program, this time like 12:14 to 2:05 horrible bosses. This is the program name actually, and this is the description. And so here you can see different schedules of different channels if they are available. Okay, and this channel doesn't have, and this channel, let me see, this channel doesn't have EPG, only this channel is having EPG, and this receiver also supports EPG Pro, as you can see over here. Next, we have the button of volume plus and volume minus. This you already understand. And next we have apps and YouTube. Those are very dedicated buttons for your favorite applications. Like if I press apps, I can see all available apps, and as you can see, this is page number 2 out of 3. This is the second page, this is the first page, second, and this is the last page of applications or apps. And if I exit and in the middle of in the below of this apps button, I have a dedicated button of YouTube. So if I press this button, YouTube will be opened automatically and available trending videos coming on the first. Okay, after exit, yes. The next is page down. If I open the channel list, currently this is channel number 360. If I do the page down, now I am in the next page. It just skips next page, and now I am on 370 number channel. Page down again, 380 again, 390, and so on. If I do page up, it will skip the page and shows me earlier page. Okay, so this is the page up, page down, and page up functions. Okay, next we have 4 colored buttons. As you can see in the downside, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 color button. So each button is working as per their color. For example, if I press the red button, it will work as a short menu. Exit. If I press green button, it will show me the TP or transponders. And if I press the zoom button, the yellow button, it will sort out from A to Z. So I can see it is M. If I press up arrow key, all the channels starting from L will appear. All the channels of starting from K appears here like this. Exit. And if I am not opening any list of channel, for example, and I cannot see all these 4 color buttons, so these 4 color buttons will be functioning as per their writing in the middle. If I press this first red button, in the middle it is written audio, so it will show me all available channel audios, like being 1 audio or being 2 audio and multiple audios like this. If I press next button, which is sub means subtitle, if I press this, will show me the settings or subtitles, or if those are available for this current channel. The next button is zoom. So if I press one time, it is showing me 2x, again 4x, 6x, and up to 16x. As you can see, we can zoom any channel up to 16x, and if I press it again, it will be showing back to 1x. Next is info button. If I exit from here, and if I press info button, it will show me the information of current running channel, like this channel is having this feature and this frequency, satellite, and the time, blah blah blah. Next we have media control button. The first button is actually for the time shift. Like if I press here, you can see the time is going on for this channel, but I have stopped this channel for current. If I press it again, it will start playing where it was stopped, so we call it time shift. As you can see here, it is showing time shift. So if I want to see, for example, from a little few seconds before, I can do the same, like I'm pressing left arrow key, and you can see the red button over here. This is our seeking bar. We can play from here. If I press OK, so it will start playing from here. So here we can control the time shift, and for this purpose your receiver must be connected with the USB storage device, so it can store the channel's time shift data. Meanwhile, when you are stopping it somewhere, for example, if I want to see from this time, I will press OK, and the seeking bar will be playing from here. If I go back, it will be starting from there. So it is also showing that we are currently holding our time shift since 1 minute 26 seconds, 7 seconds, 28 seconds. This is also showing. So if I press exit, it will show me that you are going to stop time shift I will press yes. Okay. The next button is for the recording purpose. For example, this channel, whatever channel is working now, I want to record from here. I will press this button and you can see the recording has been started automatically. And if I want to stop the recording, for example, I can also set the duration, like I want to stop this recording after maybe 50 seconds. So I will uh, set a time here and press OK, and this recording will be stopped after 50 seconds. Record finish, because first I was set it up the time for the 50 seconds, so recording has been stopped already when it reached to 50 seconds. Okay, next is forward and play, rewind. This is working when we are playing any video from our recorded USB. For example, if I go to PVR, PVR means personal video recorder, like as I showed you how we can record satellite channels. So if I goes to, for example, this I has recorded for a few seconds, so we can use this for the backward. If I press backward button, it will go back. If I press forward button, it will forward me, or it will speed up the playing speed of current video. Now let's talk about the Bluetooth voice control feature of this remote. To use voice commands, first make sure the receiver is connected to the internet and that the voice remote is properly paired through Bluetooth. Then press and hold the microphone button. Speak your command clearly and release it. Because this is a Bluetooth non-directional remote, you do not need to point it directly toward the receiver. For example, you can say play News HD. To open the channel, it is recognizing, and here you can see the channel with the name of News HD is being played here. So let me switch to another channel manually. For example, anyone, let's speak about some other features, like I'm just showing you a few samples of these voice commands. Otherwise there are a lot of list. I will show you here on the screen after a while. Let me show you another command, like I'm holding it and speaking about channel up. It is recognizing channel up. It recognized. And next channel. Okay, volume 10. See, volume is 10 now. So you can also use commands such as open YouTube, open TikTok, open Netflix, means the applications like open settings and open EPG, mute, power off, power on, pause, or start recording. Let me show you a few, like open YouTube. Here is the YouTube. Open TikTok. There is a TikTok. Open Netflix. I think it doesn't is not listening me properly. Let me speak it again. Open Netflix. Yeah, here's the Netflix. Open settings. Here are the settings. Now, for example, if I exit from there and let me show you a working channel, like anyone. Here, open EPG. No, does it recognize? Open EPG. Yeah, here is EPG. Okay, mute. Okay, next I will say again, mute. Yeah, so you can see the volume has been muted. Unmute. So here it is unmuted. Power off. Let me speak again. Power off. Power off. Yeah, so here the receiver goes to standby and power off. Let me press and hold the button and say power on again, and we'll see it will it be turning on itself. On power on, and here we go. So command is recognized and power is on. So there are a lot of other commands also. I will show you the list, and you can take the screenshot and you can try as your best. So these are only a few sample which I showed you. You can see the complete list of tested and confirmed voice commands on the screen. You can try and enjoy. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe this video and our channel to watch more StarSat products. Have a nice day. Bye bye.